Esthetician Practice Written Test 7, 30 questions and answers. Use the following as a study guide to help you prepare for your state board written exam. Please keep in mind that these questions serve as a study guide and should not be the only source of information you should be studying. Remember that rereading the chapters in your textbook will help you understand all the information more in detail. With that being said, let's get started. Number 1. What statement about Fitzpatrick type 3 skin is true? A. It is a very uncommon skin type. B. People with this skin type usually have medium to heavy pigmentation. C. The hair and eye color for this skin type vary. D. It tans easily and may never burn. Answer C. The hair and eye color for this skin type vary. Number 2. What can cause skin conditions? A. Internal factors. B. Both internal and external factors. C. External factors. D. Neither external or internal factors. Answer B. Both internal and external factors. Number 3. What term refers to the strength or intensity of sunlight exposure? A. Purity. B. Extrinsic. D. Intrinsic. D. Dosage. Answer D. Dosage. Number 4. What SPF is recommended when selecting sunscreen? A. 30. B. 45. C. 15. D. 8. Answer A. 30. Number 5. What is a characteristic of fatty alcohols? A. Dry. B. Chemically combined silicone. C. Wax-like consistency. D. Names almost always end in 8. Answer C. Wax-like consistency. Number 6. What term refers to ingredients designed to dissolve keratin proteins on the surface of the skin to make it softer and smoother? A. Lighteners. B. Lipids. C. Brighteners. D. Enzymes. Answer D. Enzymes. Number 7. What type of equipment is used to analyze the skin and to perform detail work such as tweezing? A. Steamer. B. Magnifying lamp. C. High-frequency machine. D. Hot cabby. Answer B. Magnifying lamp. Number 8. How often should clients exfoliate at home? A. Once a day. B. Twice a day. C. Once or twice a week. D. 3 or 4 times a week. Answer C. Once or twice a week. Number 9. When should you ask the client if you can schedule the next appointment? A. After the client has paid for the service and take-home products. B. During the client's consultation. C. After the client has selected take-home products for purchase. D. As you escort them out of the spa. Answer A. After the client has paid for the service and take-home products. Number 10. What portion of the facial lasts the longest? A. Extractions. B. Cleansing. C. Consultation. D. Massage. Answer D. Massage. Number 11. How long should the mask be applied for when performing a mini facial? A. 5 minutes. B. 10 minutes. C. 15 minutes. D. 20 minutes. Answer B, 10 minutes. Number 12. What does oxygen therapy treatment do? A. Reduce bacteria. B. Seal impacted follicles. C. Eliminates the need for extractions. D. Deoxygenate the skin. Answer A. Reduce bacteria. Number 13. What is the most common magnifying lamp magnification? A. 3 diopters. B. 10 diopter. C. 5 diopter. D. 12 diopter. Answer C. 5 diopter. Number 14. What is not a form in which hard waxes are available? A. Pellets. B. Blocks. C. Disc. D. Powders. Answer D. Powders. Number 15. What should you do when performing wax treatments? A. Apply wax over moles to remove any hairs. B. Use soft wax on the skin under the arm if it is very sensitive. C. Do a small patch test of the wax product to be used. D. Instruct clients to exfoliate when they get home. Answer C. Do a small patch test of the wax product to be used. Number 16. What is not a contraindication for chemical exfoliation? A. Pregnancy. B. Oily skin. C. Herpes simplex. D. Use of photosensitizing medication. Answer B. Oily skin. Number 17. Pitta is a combination of what two elements? A. Air and water. B. Earth and water. C. Fire and water. D. Air and earth. Answer C. Fire and water. Number 18. What is lash perming? A. Applying permanent color to the lashes. B. Applying temporary color to the lashes. C. Straightening the lashes. D. Curling the lashes. Answer D. Curling the lashes. Number 19. What type of bacteria causes abscesses, pustules, and boils? A. Staphylococci. B. Diplococci. C. Streptococci. D. Spirilla. Answer A. Staphylococci. Number 20. What is the most common type of bacteria? A. Streptococci. B. Diplococci. C. Bacilli. D. Spirilla. Answer C. Bacilli. Number 21. What muscle surrounds the upper lip and elevates it, dilating the nostrils? A. Orbicularis oris. B. Levator labii superioris. C. Risorius. D. Levator anguli oris. Answer B. Levator labii superioris. Number 22. What is the largest of the cranial nerves? A. Third. B. Seventh. C. Fifth. D. 11th. Answer C. Fifth. Number 23. What nerve affects the side of the neck and the platysma muscle? A. Cervical. B. Buccal. C. Mandibular. D. Temporal. Answer A. Cervical. Number 24. What is the last part of the heart through which blood travels before exiting to travel to all parts of the body? A. right ventricle, B, left ventricle, C, right atrium, D, left atrium. Answer B, left ventricle. Number 25. What term refers to the simplest form of chemical matter? A, element, B, cell, C, atom, D, molecule. Answer A, element. Number 26. What part of the body receives blood from the anterior tibial artery? A, lower arm and palm of the hand. B, neck and shoulders. C, lower abdomen and lower back. D, lower leg and top of the foot. Answer D, lower leg and top of the foot. Number 27. What is a characteristic of suspensions? A, small particles. B, slightly miscible. C, usually clear. D, stable mixture. Answer B, slightly miscible. Number 28. What is the unit that measures the amount of an electric current? The amount of electrons flowing through a conductor. A, volt. B, ohm. C, ampere. D, watt. Answer C, ampere. Number 29. How many common amino acids are there? A, 11. B, 20. C, 48. D, more than 100. Answer B, 20. Number 30. What mineral is important for protein synthesis and collagen formation and promotes wound healing and helps the immune system? A, zinc. B, iodine. C, chromium. D, iron. Answer is A, zinc. That concludes today's video. Let me know in the comments down below if this information is helping you prepare for your state board written exam. If you found it helpful, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Thank you again for watching. Don't forget, keep going, keep growing. Good luck on your test, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.